Hello friends and welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. If you guys just watched Vlogmas Day 12, yes I am wearing the same shirt that I ended Vlogmas Day 12 in, but that's because I filmed that segment this morning. So today is Friday, December 13th, so it is Friday the 13th. So scary. I'm not that superstitious, so I don't think anything bad's gonna happen today. But I do have, well, I guess I've had a rough morning today because I had to finish yesterday's vlog and do the Q&A this morning because I was too tired to do it yesterday, which turned that into a 30-minute vlog. My bad, but I hope you guys enjoyed hearing the answers to those questions. And again, I do want to film another section of Q&A, so if you guys have more questions, please let me know. Today I have work, and then I don't know what we're doing once Sam gets home after work. I think we might do pizza and a movie tonight. I want something relaxing. I need to do my Patreon post for today, and I need to do tomorrow's video. So I need to outline that probably during my lunch break, because I make notes for myself all the time for projects I want to do and, you know, videos I want to film, but a lot of the time I actually find that I confuse myself more from previous notes because I don't remember the full thought out idea that I was imagining. So I need to work on taking better notes for my projects so that I can, you know, remember what I was talking about for the next time. So I need to go outline that. But it's for the 2020 Creative Reset series, and we want to, or I want to, there's no one else here. I want to make sure that we set everything up here in December so January and February go really smoothly for all of us. And that's the whole point of the series. So that's it for today's agenda. Nothing crazy, hopefully relaxing. I'm not going to, you know, do my hair or anything today because I don't have any meetings. And it's just a regular old work day. But I'm excited to, you know, sort of relax a little bit tonight and hopefully have some pizza. That'd be really nice. But yeah, that's what we have to look forward to. It's time to unbox some more socks. I skipped yesterday's because I was so tired. So, how are we going to get 12 out? Maybe this way. In case you haven't seen this before, I'm trying not to rip out all these beautiful pieces because the ripping doesn't go very well. Number 12 is this Moana? I didn't know Moana would be in here. I love Moana. Opening them with one hand is a lot trickier than it looks. There we go. There she is. Nice. I wish Pua was on there, her little pig friend. Then we need to get out number 13, which maybe I can go through this one. I'm cheating the system, it's fine. And it looks like we have Aurora, or Sleeping Beauty. As other, oh, those ones are nice. She looks like Barbie, to be honest, because this is like Barbie pink. Cute! So we have Moana and Sleeping Beauty for today's socks. Now that it's after work, I just did my voiceover for my Multi-Photo Monday layout because it's just taking up space on my computer. So I wanted to make sure that I got that done and get it uploaded and ready so I can send it to everyone in the collab, and that way it's ready to go. But I'm waiting for Sam to give me news about when he'll be home, and then we're doing a pizza and a movie night, which I cannot wait for because one, I've been really wanting pizza, and two, we've been really enjoying watching movies at home, especially with Disney Plus, and you know, the holidays coming up, so I'm not sure what we're going to watch, but I am excited to see what we do end up picking. We've got the Pizza Hut goods, and yes, we're eating on a box in our living room because it's movie night, people. Got Sam some wings. The breadsticks are one of my favorite parts. Let me know what your favorite part of pizza night is, if it's breadsticks, the wings, or the pizza. I'm personally a breadstick fan. But we got Pizza Hut tonight. Should be delicious. I'm going to enjoy this now, and we're going to watch the rest of Star Wars Episode 3 and then probably start another movie as well. The pizza and dinner was absolutely delicious. Star Wars Episode 3 was great, as per usual. As you guys might not know, the new Star Wars movie comes out next week. So I'm trying to prep for all that, and I don't think we'll make it through all the movies in time because we have a busy schedule next week, right before Christmas, which is insane to think about that Christmas is so soon, which means I have a lot to do. So I decided to film some more tonight. I need to film Saturday's video, and ideally I get to film Sunday's process video for my patrons. They get real-time process videos, so I need to do that as well. So I'm starting with cleaning up the mess from the live stream last night, Thursday night. So most of it's actually cleaned up. I kept things, you know, in the Christmas bin area that's down here at my feet. And I've also kept a lot of it here on the desk. And then some other bits that I was talking about in my Q&A this morning that I need to move. So let me flip you around and show you what I have to work with. So besides cleaning up this mess, since I'm now done with Christmas stuff for a while, I'm just going to put these drawers back where they go in that organizer. So just packing those up, packing this album up to send off, and a couple of these things go into the Christmas album. These photos just need to be tucked away. The paper pads go in the Christmas set, so those can be put down here. They actually go underneath in the second bin, so we'll set them there for now. And then the scraps I have to deal with, but this stuff will all go in there, but it won't actually be in the way for the first video I'm filming, which is my second episode of 2020 Creative Reset. These are what my notes look like for something like that, and this is how I sort of plan my content out for YouTube and Patreon, is through OneNote, and you know, I make an outline for a series, and then I write out either a script if I need it or just notes, so I touch on everything. These types of videos have been really hard for me to film because it's not project based, like I'm not making a layout and showing you guys something along the way. It's more so me, you know, just chatting. So I have some notebooks here that I'm going to be doing some things in for that video. So if you have not checked out the 2020 Creative Reset videos yet, definitely do so. This will be the second full episode. And I'm not sure how long it'll be. Right now I feel like I have very few notes, but I feel like I'm going to talk quite a bit and actually do stuff on paper with you guys, you know, sort of walk you through the process. I'm not sure I'll get a blog post up in time either because we have some stuff going on tomorrow morning. Oh man, there's just so much to do. There's so much fun to be had. I still need to clean up here from the live stream. These items are still taped up here, which I don't know if I'll be able to do one-handed, but my phone charger's still stuck. I already took off the mount from the phone holder. Sounds like my cat's running around out there. And there we go. That just goes back down on the floor essentially until I need it. Got my water here because again, live audio videos do take a toll on my voice, but that's okay. Talking's fun sometimes. But I'm going to go set up to film for this, guys, and I will chat with you guys later. So I think that ended up going really, really well. It's going to be about a 20 to 30 minute video once I edit out the pauses that I had. I did run out of water during this video, so there's that. Yeah, I'm totally out. So I should have gotten more of that before I started this clip, but I'd love to edit this tonight so I can focus on Vlogmas tomorrow morning because, again, we have places to go, things to do. It's going to be a really fun vlog for Saturday and Sunday, so get ready. But I'm going to show you guys sort of how it went and how I ended up doing it. Even though it'll be out today, I just wanted to show you guys sort of how it went. Because I think that I never know how it's going to turn out until it's uploaded. What is this? I never know how it's going to be received from you guys. I mean, a lot of you leave sweet comments on all of my videos, and I cannot thank you guys enough. You guys are the absolute sweetest. Even if it's just a thanks for sharing, I just love that someone left a comment on my video. And since I know that I feel that way, I try to leave comments on so many videos that I watch. Even ones that aren't scrapbooking related now, I just try to leave a comment if I liked it, and always leaving a thumbs up. I know that helps people immensely with the algorithms and all that stuff, but let me show you guys how it turned out, and maybe I'll get some feedback from you before the actual video comes out in an hour after this one comes out. But here's what it looked like. So essentially this is kind of what it looked like from my side of view. Notes over here, which I didn't tell them I had notes, but I think it's obvious now that I'm sharing it in Vlogmas. I do have notes for this series specifically because I need to say a lot and it takes a toll on my voice, so I want to make sure I have everything in front of me. And it's not word for word anymore like my original one was. Not anymore. They're just bullets and notes. But we're talking about our 2019 goals and how they went. And since it's such a talky video and I'm currently doing Vlogmas, I figured you guys didn't want to see my face again, and it currently looks like not great. I need to go to bed. But I did a handwriting video, so I actually wrote stuff down. And you guys have to check out the video so you guys know what this is all about. But make sure when you do watch the video, you either have something to write with, some scrap paper or you have a computer to write on to take notes, because you'll definitely want to take notes to prepare for the next section. It almost feels like I'm teaching a class. I'm like, okay, but the pop quiz is next week, so make sure you take notes because this is exactly what will be on it. So that's kind of what I feel like. At one point I did think I wanted to be a teacher, but I never went for it. But that's kind of what I did. I did a lot of chatting, a lot of writing, and my throat kind of hurts. But it's 9:30 now. I need to go get ready for bed. So with that, I think I'll be off to bed very shortly. I'm going to go get ready for bed. I need to shower. I need to get ready for tomorrow. So that means editing both of these videos, hopefully tonight. I don't think it's going to happen, but at least one of them tonight. And then also be able to be ready for tomorrow. And in case you guys want to know what I'm doing tomorrow, the plan at least is to go see skydiving Santas and also watch a boat light parade. I mean, I'm just saying, we're getting Christmassy real quick tomorrow, so be prepared for something amazing from that to happen. Again, we've never been to either, so I'm really excited to see both, and I think it's going to be really, really fun. And then Sunday we might be going to a theme park, so get excited for that kind of vlog. I'm not sure how it'll turn out or how bad the crowds will be, but I will try my hardest to share that with you guys as we continue on to Vlogmas. So I hope you enjoyed Friday the 13th Vlogmas. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And again, I appreciate every one of you guys who have been watching all of Vlogmas. I know it's really hard to keep up, so I'm really glad this is a shorter version of Vlogmas. I think this one's only going to be about 12 minutes when it's done. But thank you guys so, so much. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. It's fun to share something beyond scrapbooking with you guys. And, you know, it's a challenge to upload every day, but it's also a fun challenge. So I guess I don't mind it. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.